Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start right away by making sure Android supports split screen. Most devices with Android 7, 0 or later do. Open the two apps you plan to use, one in foreground and the other either open or recently used. Once the apps are ready, exit any full-screen video or game so the system can resize windows. Make sure recent apps show both apps. If one app is locked in immersive mode, you'll need to disable that before continuing with the split procedure. You access split screen via recent apps, tap the recent button or use the gesture. Once you see the app cards, long press the top apps icon or use the split screen icon. That pins it to the top or left. Now select the second app from Recents, App Drawer, or Home Screen to occupy the other half. The system divides the screen immediately. You can drag the divider to resize. If an app refuses to dock, switch to a supported app and try again. Once both apps are visible, drag the central divider to adjust size. Remember, some apps lock orientation or have minimum widths, so resizing may be limited. To exit, drag the divider fully to the top or side to return to a single app or close one app from the recent view. If split screen doesn't activate, restart the device, force stop, and reopen the apps, or check for updates. These steps fix most permission or memory conflicts and restore normal split behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.